Hello smart people, welcome back to this comments class. In today's video, I'll take you to Microsoft learning platform where you can take Python for beginners course for free. This course contains 13 modules and the duration for this course is 5 hours 55 minutes. After this course, you are going to get a free badge, and for beginners it's very friendly. So this link will be shared in the description section where you can get access to this platform and take this course for free. You can even start learning without signing up or signing in to take this particular course. Okay, so when you click on it, you see the Python for beginners. You are going to see get started with Python, and I think this one is the first module. So in this learning path, you write your first program in Python, you explore packages to better manage projects, and also you learn Python basics including the following: the boolean types, the string, the mathematical operation, the lists and the loops, and so on. So this is a second module. So this module, get started with Python with Visual Studio Code. You are going to learn how to program. You learn how to do the installation, and also you create your first Python application. The next module, you write your first Python program. You write and manage projects in Python. You use Boolean logic in Python. We have a whole lot. This particular course takes the roadmap of Python for beginners. So if you want to master Python, you need to take this particular course because it gives a roadmap to master the Python. So it's 13 modules. When you are done, you get your badge. Okay, so let's click on the first one, the first module. Let's click on start. So the first step, introduction. The first step to working with any programming language is to set up the necessary tool. So this particular course, you'll be using the Visual Studio Code editor. Okay, so first you need to install the Python 3 and also install and configure the Visual Code and extension on your computer. You create a Python file and write and run Python code in Visual Studio. If you have Anaconda, it's fine, you can use that one too. Okay, you can choose your operating system, whether Mac or Windows, to do your installation. Anyone you want, it will show you how to do your installation. So in this module, it's teaching us to install our Python software and also install our Visual Studio Code. That is the editor which we'll be using it for the Python course. When you are done, you click. So we have the 5 of 8 units. Now you can create your own Python code. So you learn from here. See, so create a new Python file and also add the code. When you run this code, the output will be welcome. The output will be hello world. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Peace.